Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto G32, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you can input some text. And here you've got the current keyboard. Tap on settings then, go to languages and select add keyboard. Now you can pick the language that you want to apply. You can scroll all the way down or you can tap on search icon and enter the language that you want to have. Pick it, tap on done, and now you can either leave two languages or stay or remove one by tapping on edit icon, marking it, and then confirm it by tapping on bin icon. But let me show you how it works with two languages. So from now on, when you go back, you will have two languages applied, and you can switch between them by tapping on word icon here. This is it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.